This is the story of Velute, a man who was born to be haunted like a wild animal because he was poor, but he refused to accept his fate, and today his honor has been restored.
He was only 19 and was sentenced to die for something that somebody else didn't blame him. Then they changed it to life, and so he could escape. From then on they chased him and searched for him day and night all over Spain. But the search was in vain for Velute. He had only seen the dark side of life, that man they called Velute. And he wanted a home just like you and like me, in a country where all would be free. So he taught himself to read. He was one who was dared to escape overnight. He gets to fight
Soon the fame of his name spread like wildfire all over the land. With the prize on his hand, people still give him bread, and they give him a hand. For they
Asfalt mi šumí pod koly, kličují mezi výmoly. Cítím se jako drak, však vždycky jen tak, jak předpisy mi dovolí. Tak já vážím, cestou necestou, vědnející, brně před čestou, však jak říká, není náhodou, že se nesetkám s nehodou. Bez nehody skit dovedu, tak vedu stroj svůj kupředu, vždy stejnou rychlostí a bez starostí, jen díky svému mopedu.